Was it?
So I don't think they're going anywhere necessarily. I think that I mean their stock could go to like $20. It's like a falling knife, though. You know, like where do you want to average down again? I mean,
You don't. You do not want to average down on anything. But you know, the thing is, like crypto people will just continue. Crypto people will just continuously buy it. They don't. They, you know, it's no different to me than the AMC group of people that thought it was going to $1 million. Like, just keep buying it, and
well, that's
eventually it will go.
unrealistic.
Well,
AMC going to $1 million is
I
unrealistic.
hear you, but also Bitcoin going to $1 million to me is unrealistic.
But that's what they said about Bitcoin at 10,000. The
You have
Bitcoin
a
at
better,
100,000.
yeah,
You know what I mean?
you got a better chance
So
of
I would
buying.
agree with you. Like to me, it sounds batty, but so did Bitcoin to 10,000 and Bitcoin to 100,000,
I hear
and
you.
it hit both of those. Now it may not. It's not going to go to $1 million probably for a decade or so, but I could definitely see it going because we're only what like three or five more evolutions from it being completely all of the Bitcoin mined.
Let's ask the internet here.
That actually is another interesting question. Is once it's all mined, right now all the people who process transactions get paid in Bitcoin, new Bitcoin. When it's all mined, how are people going to get paid for actually doing the transactions?
So it's AI says that it's projected that Bitcoin will all be mined around 2140. So that's 14 years.
Oh, that's not too bad. Okay.
14 years to mine all of it. By
I got 14 years.
yeah, look at this
The
thing.
MSPR.
By 2035, over 99% of all Bitcoins will be mined. The final 1% of the total supply will take over a century to mine because the rewards become intensifyingly small. Around 2136, the block reward will shrink to just one Satoshi. And then by 2140, it will mathematically round to zero. Or whatever Epstein, whatever Epstein programmed it to. Jesus. Let's see. Google down. Yeah, I guess in their conference call they talked about a bunch of AI spending, like a lot. Investors aren't liking that. They don't want them to spend it. They don't want Google to spend a bunch of money in forward moving AI. They're worried about it. Concerned.
Yeah, so AI says once all the Bitcoin is mined, the people who do the transactions will get paid in transaction fees. So that pack of gum, that gas fee of $4 is going to be like $20.
I just don't. I don't see it ever being used as just a common courtesy.
No, it really can't. That never made sense to me. You know, I think this has happened to me 3 times now, where I've been kind of all in cash. I'm like, oh, this is not going to stop, and then I start buying some things, and then
it just keeps going.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I still have a lot of cash, but man, if I would have held off another week, I would
got some better deals.
A much better position. A week, like just a week. I was in all cash in 2 of my 3 portfolios, and about all but 10% in cash in the third one, less than a week ago. Well, no, I should say maybe a week and a half ago. It'll be fine. I'm not like panicking or anything, but sucks.
Yeah, it just gives you nothing to do for a little while. Nothing fun. I mean, we're sitting on not much cash, maybe like 10 grand in buying power. Had to use some to pay for some stuff. Here I need to pull some cash out because TikTok Shop has got a lot of money held up right now. So, will they pay us?
Like the Lucid accounts.
Gotta pay us more monies, man. Now you really kind of need. I mean, depending on where you're at with the prop firms, but people who are trading them, I guess you kind of need like two or three. Because I was telling Bubs like yesterday, yeah, you weren't back yet. You know, because my the one that I've had longest, you know, two more payouts, and it transfers to a live account. So, which is fine with me. I have some questions about some of what they do with the live stuff, but um, you know, it could take like 2 weeks or longer to transfer that, to open that up. So you need something to do. So you got to have another account lined up to trade in the meantime. Keep making that money.
You just withdraw the last withdrawal before the live account. You withdraw so much that you blow the account, so you don't ever have to go to live account.
I don't have enough of that to matter. Like in their examples of their live funded program, it's like if you have $10,000 in simulated funds, they don't transfer the 10,000 to the live account. They transfer like 5,000 or 4,000 to the live account, and then the rest of that balance goes into an escrow account that you can gain access to after 60 days of profitable trading. You can then start pulling from that escrow. But what it doesn't show is in their FAQ, it shows you that you can request daily payouts, right? Because it's cash. A live account is a cash account, so there's no reason to have any kind of waiting period. It's your money. What I don't know is like what are the, how is it set up? Because it's going to be through Lucid. You have a Lucid's not a brokerage, so you're going through them to Trade of Aid or somebody that's holding their money, holding their funds to trade. It's like a third party involvement to get access to your cash. But there's no consistency rules, none of that, because it's a cash account. But if you had, let's say you know, okay, so what I was telling him is in their example of having all of this simulated funds profit, if you did that, you kind of shoot yourself in the dick, because on my account, for instance, I can only pull $1,000 as my max payout. There's no reason for me to make over that. Why would I do that? Why would I take this account and make $10,000 on a 25K account? I can only pull out $1,000 each payout, a maximum of $6,000 total. Makes no sense to trade it up that high. And then you're mad because you did that and they won't pay you. Well, they're going to pay you in the beginning. I mean, you signed up for the agreement was $1,000 per payout with a max cap. So they're going to transfer $1,000 to a live account. I would prefer just to keep the live account and just trade their money forever. That would be that's the best case scenario for me. I don't ever want to pay them any more money. You know, just keep going. Now you've got a profit split that I didn't have before, but it doesn't cost. It costs me $0 to keep doing that. So it's pointless to say, well, we'll just blow this account and take all the money and buy another eval and start over. Why keep doing that? Why not just go on and just keep on trading? You know, ultimately, if you could build a relationship with a prop firm that's profitable for both of you, it doesn't cost you any money. That's the best case scenario.
Or draw enough money from evals to do your own. You don't have to do a prop.
Well, yeah, or you draw enough to that was my.
That's the thing. Like you just said, they put you in a live account with $1,000. That's what you. Well, you can get $1,000 payout off an eval and open a live account and trade it yourself.
Yeah, right. Sharing. So that's my rebuttal to people who are like, well, I made $8,000 or $10,000 or $15,000 in my pro account, and they're not going to give me all that money. Okay, well then take your payout and put it in your own live account. And if you don't want to do that because you realize that, well, you don't get 40x leverage in a live account like they give you, I mean, that's your it's on you. It's not they'll be mad at them. I mean, you're playing fantasy football all day long. That's all you're doing is playing fantasy football. You want to be in the NFL, but you're playing fantasy football, sir.
Yeah. I better back.
Look at that candle. Jesus. 9 a.m. scrum was pretty wild. Oof.
Oh, good morning. Asha. Better financial.
That boy is just YOLO in life.
Justin. So well in the session, hope price action is and today. Yep. In the same boat. I have hit maximum loss limit. Excess. Strict. So good. This is the 5th. This took a while here. Charge and some. It's fine for you. Gotta go get coffee. As of right now, with this last limit.
Guys,
Guys.
where's the money?
Guys.
He's not in Costa Rica, that's where he is. That's what being an employee looks like.
Yeah, there you go. Pretty accurate.
I was thinking if this
It's pretty good.
Like, level
Guys, I'm the employee. So I'm here.
Potentially two.
Alright.
Today's just gonna be a day where it's look, you either just wait, watch everyone get slaughtered at the open, try to tiptoe past the bodies. Hope you don't get shot. That's what today's gonna be.
Hey, I did not refresh my port.
Don't refresh the port. Don't do it. Gold had a pretty low. 48.08, baby. Headed back down there too. Microsoft down 2.5%. Nice. Oh man.
I had some calls from Microsoft for a couple weeks out, and they continue to decline. But yesterday, on the pop yesterday, I actually wrote an order call to make a spread, so not really on water.
Yeah, I closed mine yesterday. I got out of those NVIDIA ones.
I think they were green for a little while.
I mean, last night the video was at 178. I was like, well, that may make me salty tomorrow. And then this morning, nope, it's good. It's fine. It's all fine. Palantir is still dumping. Good God. 135 on Palantir.
What was it at earnings? 170, wasn't it?
Yeah, 170, 180, something like that.
Yeah, I'm glad I got out of that.
Just a bloodbath everywhere.
Further, unfortunately, talking about X loss limit last night.
Silver down to 74 again. It's gotta be pretty close to where
I like a price.
we were on the last jump.
Yeah. You see, Johansson shared that Top Step is not allowing people to trade gold, silver anymore, any of the metals, and then Apex is following suit, restricting trading on those. They're probably just getting absolutely robbed blind.
Well, I mean, like Apex with all their wonky rules, I can't imagine that they're getting blind. But
I think there's going to be enough people who probably have decent profits that can avoid that MAE rule that are killing them. Same with Top Step. Top Step has like no consistency rules, all that stuff. I mean, you've got some guys that build up a little buffer and start taking some bigger risks on moves like that, or even people who probably even used to trade that when it was moving normally, and now they're just like, all right, man, we're gonna go long on this, and they're taking minis on silver. Man, you're talking like tens of thousands of dollars a day they're making on those things. I promise you this: they're not implementing that because people are blowing accounts. Okay. When people start blowing accounts, we get 90%
They are
off.
blowing accounts, but they're passing accounts also.
Yeah, but I think there's enough people getting big payouts because of it. Big payouts. And they're probably like, we need to put the brakes on this thing. Because in what world do you restrict trading on sim-funded accounts because of market volatility? Makes no sense.
A world where you have to pay real money for fake trades.
That's right. That's right. In a world where you pay real money for fake trades. That is correct.
Potentially. Their fake money is safe with some people.
Very true.
out all the one-off stocks that I've traded, lost money. Doing really, really well.
Well, if you also need to account for like why you bought those, and why you took losses on them.
Well, I haven't taken losses. That's over. So on paper, I've still got a really, really good P&L. That's because I'm sitting on a really large losses.
Right.
Alrighty.
I think my port was down like 35 grand yesterday.
Points. Thank you, guys.
Whew.
Yeah. Which, no, I mean, that's not a massive amount of money relative to the value of the port, but it's nice
Right.
chunk.
D-Money, you doing mornings, no
Oh,
more
we
PW.
live.
PW is in Costa Rica, guys. He's doing some fit. So he'll be back next week. I'm not sure it's gonna be 9 a.m. guys, or obviously that's PW's primary spot, right? That's his time slot, 9 a.m. So whenever PW's 9 a.m.
Kind of want a long Microsoft, man.
After PW.
Bounced off his level a few times pretty aggressively. I don't know, today could be the day it breaks 400 again, but fuck. Look at gold. Gold just ripping people to bits. 20.1 minute candle on gold.
So stay tuned.
Microsoft is at, okay, never mind. Microsoft's at 404. Oh, baby. Oh, Microsoft's at 403.98. Man, that's low. That's pretty far down there.
Microsoft?
Yeah,
Where's Keith?
I don't know that Microsoft has been this low since. Microsoft has not been this low since Liberation Day.
We can make it on. We'll make one Monday next week.
If you're waiting on them, we can make it.
Yeah, it'll be 5 hours.
You can only do $1 million in transfer.
Good long end, but
Is it $1 million or is it 999?
traveling guys.
Yeah, I mean, I
Like if it ends up
I'm
going
gonna
down
pull it
like
off,
that,
so
right?
you gotta do it.
Obviously, always gonna have a go at 9
so
a.m.
we can give it a shot.
So
I'm good with that. Yes, ma'am.
see what happens down the line, guys. But we have not forgot about or neglected our hour. It's just a matter of morning session chat because PW is
Stream all day, D-Money.
so out of the country.
Just do it.
However, remember, guys, my normal slot time is 11 a.m. Right when PW
Jesus, man.
And as I say that, we're getting more.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a 1 day out Microsoft call.
We're selling pressure out.
That'll be the lowest risk trade, money wise.
80, 75 a month, $100 could be done for the day. Let's go. Yeah, you gotta make a decision on that, right? That's
God, dog. Look at it go. Everyone long in this already is just getting
you gotta make a decision.
ripped to pieces.
But as you guys can see already, guys, right?
Not
Getting more selling pressure.
You're not long in it?
Oh, heck no, man. I'm short since I told you to go short.
Okay.
So gotta let the market open up, guys, and taking.
It's probably going to be the opposite of what happened on Monday. They're going to be like, all right,
so-
guys, I can see 24,500, and we're going straight to 26,000.
Feel good about that. Those shorts, guys, just based off
Straight
of
up.
the range that we're in. We're in the range right now.
You think it's going to 650 first?
602.
602?
Oh, guaranteed.
That upset my stomach. I got to go to the bathroom after
The London
that.
low, man.
The London low. He's trying to trick us into thinking Trying to trick me into buying some London Low. That's what's happening
So
here.
since
There's
7
a
o'clock,
daily
let's
fair
map out
value
since
gap.
7 o'clock,
It's very
guys.
small on M&Q. That's what I think we're doing.
Sell off of almost 150 points.
All right, I'm going to the bathroom. That's where I'm
Are
going.
we gonna get or are we gonna get it at spin? Or a push to the upside before dropping lower open? So I'm gonna let the market up, man. 1 hour chart does not look good. Right? It looks bearish, guys. So far, okay, this 1 hour chart looks well, a lot of selling pressure to the downside. Our chart, the daily chart is heavy, guys. Where could we go? Right? Like, I'm always trying to find the next level. that
Yo, we could go
possibly
liquidation.
work with, travel to
64% bold. Bearish.
if the momentum downside. And I do the low down here at 25,000. Sorry, 24,600 area of interest. Return, right? The 4-hour chart. But you do have like, we're inside of like this little reactionary level, support level, whatever you want. Right? The low of that candle was 4,000, sorry, 24,602. Sorry guys. 4,602. So that could be in play, guys. Break that level, 24,400. So there's a lot of room to
Just
downside,
asked, do you have a
guys.
code?
We're gonna continue forward. But I mean, I would probably say if that's to get a push to the upside at open, get a reaction back down. That's my take on it. So,
Gonna start.
So if I was big money, what I would do is I would have a large buy order somewhere maybe around 700 area. Everyone's gonna be bearish, and I would just wipe them all out. I would just sweep that whole thing right at open, straight up.
Oh man, that a huge sell order right there.
No,
Grab it a little lower.
no.
Put a buy order in at like 650.
It's actually like super quiet.
Because you got to understand, like, what would be happening here is people would be putting in, they'd be putting in sells with buy limits down here,
In my headphones, it's super
or
quiet.
buy limits above. If you really wanted to wipe out,
Yosef, good morning.
really wanted to wipe bears out, you'd put a buy order at like 24,800. See if there's all of these stops, which are limit orders above this level for the shorts, and you would sweep that whole thing, fill them all at one time, just wipe them off the map.
Yeah, I had to refresh you guys.
Wow.
So that
We are
what's
almost back
happening
to
is that they
our
are
earnings
kind of
low on human.
revising some of the
Yeah.
that's being released because a lot of it was not going to come out into a government shutdown. So yes, we do have those that
Question, do you ever
guys.
trade? No, eyes. I mean, I look at it, yeah, but I don't really. Yeah, I pay attention. I don't like make trades off it. I don't like. Dip here.
So far, guys, 898.
Dipu, good morning.
Market open.
Strolls.
So,
Oh, gotcha,
do me a
okay.
solid if you haven't already, guys.
Some strategy.
So what
Low
to do.
Pasha, hope you're well.
Gold reaching for the lows.
For on every swing for 930, guys.
Rochos, all
Yeah,
caps
right
saying
now,
Pasha,
yeah.
stop loss. For
Already
NASDAQ,
found out
stop
what
loss.
to do.
I just have my stop at.
W. Not even 930 yet, guys. So do me a solid, hit the like button.
Good morning.
1% on the day. What we ended yesterday? Down about 1%, 1.5%,
Short at
So nevertheless, guys,
something like that.
Yesterday, we were down like almost 275 in the morning, but
you are long.
recovered.
No,
Yeah.
right now it says restricted to allowing gold. So might take shorty. I had a short stop. Down here, it's like
It's gonna go up. It's gonna bounce. It's gonna rocket up. Might get a little wick down to that little low right there. A little a little 707 area. And along 707. Maybe a little slight overshoot.
It should be just a little bit.
1439 on TSLL.
Because it's
Oh
part of
my
the promotion.
goodness.
You get the pro
1439.
14.
Yeah. Glad I'm not holding all those shares.
Oh.
I mean, honestly, Tesla one day out calls will probably print today too. It's a bounce. And things will move for like 15 bucks, 20 bucks.
Copy trading. The stream is mostly for like hanging out, trading. It's not for me showing them like an elite trader. Copy trade. I'm going to try to be a good example on emotional regulation, like risk management. I think that's more important than sharpshooter on getting this great trade. Sharpshooter making.
Don't bounce here, Microsoft. I wanted a 405 call. It's already in the money. Video down. Goes the bounce. Comes. Market on open. Damn it. Alright, well, that sucks. I'll just keep it on my screen. I'll just watch it. Already $1.50 in the money. $2.50 bounce.
The longer we stay here, that's not great for bears. Good morning. Getting pennies good.
The longer you stay there, the better it is for bears. Bears are in profit constantly.
Good morning. Good morning.
Google 6% down. Holy smokes. It's not getting any better. Oh, baby. Do what?
What's 6% down?
Google. 6%. That's a lot.
That's a lot.
Good morning. Do you trust the VIX? I don't really watch it.
He's sweating it though. He's still green.
They ain't sweating it.
Alright, how many? So we have 4 minutes.
That's a big downside move on the Googs.
Very good.
Warren Buffett ain't sweating.
Coffee before things go crazy. I will.
His average price is 20 cents.
My noise cancellation. Probably.
Warren Buffett's price so low, Google owes him money.
JR.
They've had a negative share average.
Jason. Silver.
He done sold so many covered calls, his average is 0.
Bitcoin don't beat down because like everything's down. Try ES instead of
Bro,
like.
this is gonna be epic.
Yeah, I'm not against us,
Your shares are free.
but I want to kind of watch.
Yeah.
Just no posture windows. TP let you start working. Offer I think I'm about to pass it by like $60.
And on ULQ.
If you're talking.
We got Fear and Greed. Fear and Greed is at 42. But Fearful be greedy.
Jolts report at 10 a.m.
It's today. Now I'm a bit bold. Look at the book map. What do we have going on there? 750.
Yeah, Microsoft's going up. Damn it.
Yeah, like I said, I was in
Whatever.
possibility.
Here we go.
Support here. We could go a little lower, obviously, than
I have to wait, see if we get that pullback to get in that call.
free market lows. We could find support. This could be the last gap on the chart. This is 24.884. But I definitely expect to see 24.885 back to the
Rip off the faces of the
Come up with
Bears.
that bullish run at open, 2 minutes, half minute. Big can.
Yeah, it's gonna rip faces off.
7.
Ah,
Got that going on for us.
So we're getting ready here. Got a little bit over a
Moment.
minute left.
Anybody in here want to look at the e-gas? That's what's. Yes.
Yeah, we should pull under like guys.
A little pivot right now. We got a gap up here at 6,866.
Well, T1 under
I did see
34.
some sort of indicator on the
buy more.
We do have a gap down here. Oh, it's
I don't really own much anymore.
4,750.
Buy a lot more.
It's at 24.
Ever since I had all those puts, I took all my shares basically. I
Right.
haven't really been buying.
That price.
QDTE, man, buy some of that.
Gap there. Bounced off of indicator.
It's $29 for QDT.
30-minute bullish. Testing. Could protect it. We could jump through it today. Would not be shocked if we jumped through it, but I do sort of protection.
Look at Microsoft, $4. $4 move before open. Come on, man.
15.
I need some capital. You could have bought some shares, man.
Yeah, well.
We got one down here at 6,000.
Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, 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 boom,
Already red on
boom.
the day. So
About to go long.
we are open.
Boom, 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 boom. Gonna buy the dip. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, Phil. Right
There it is. Boom, 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 boom.
So this was more at the bottom of the second guy.
Short of that.
Boom, 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 boom. Long.
Stop, wait. That's a little interesting.
Boom, 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 boom. Making money. Boom, 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 boom. Gonna book the profit.
That's a personal preference thing.
Also,
Oof.
There we go, Microsoft. Come
I
back.
did it. I crashed my port. Lauren, not good.
50Ks are great. Because remember, guys, it's in the day, right? So it's not really.
There we go, Microsoft. It's coming back.
Ninja Trader. As a competition.
Oh, is it gonna fill me?
So yeah, these BSA way out, right?
Yep. Okay. I'm in Microsoft.
Competition.
Microsoft 405 for tomorrow.
3 hours.
What happened?
7 out. $500. Days
Where is your support box drawn from? The higher time, guys. 4-hour chart, daily charts. So I'm just waiting. So, how do you phrase the opening looks different? I'm waiting for these to find. Got 2 minutes for the show, guys. I appreciate the support as always. I don't take it for granted.
Oh, that was a terrible fill.
52 almost. Let's go.
Tried to average down on that pullback right there, and I got an absolute abysmal fill. It's fine.
back up.
Anybody know where trading gold with Apex prop firms? Yeah, at the moment, you're not able to trade metal.
Oh, we're up $78 on Microsoft.
Yeah, Cooper.
100 bucks.
Saw the email. The trader was apologizing.
It's scored down at the bottom. Because down, right? I held that trade.
Some big boys are here. Big boys are here. Price.
Hey, where's TW? TW fishing against Rika, guys. Down 2 deep. Back on. So,
We're making money.
Whenever
Look at it go.
Where'd you come from? Bad crap I've ever seen.
Here, guys, you'll see it. Stay tuned, right? If you're subscribed to the channel, you can but whenever you, I'm gonna be out. 9 a.m. is well tomorrow. So, alright, so we got about a minute left on the 5 minutes, so guys.
They found some ways to hack up there. They catch them. Ninja Trader catches them. But they have found ways to.
Tell you, if you sort it down here at the bottom, your count, or it's low.
I will be in that competition on Ninja Trader next week.
Let's go.
It's like the perfect time to get in. Oh, we've had somebody, Griff can trade, actually won a competition.
I'm out. 213 on the eval.
Wow, beautiful candle back up. Goodness. There.
See if we can pass this flex account today. Look at the moon, baby. Just like I said, opposite of Monday. God dog it. Look at that. Johansson, 601. Get bent. Damn, dog. Rip your face off.
Let's say
We're able to basically take price higher.
this can go all the way back up to.
So, what I'll say now, guys, if we can get back above,
We filled those gaps to a T. Right there.
guys,
Look at the bounce on Google.
17
Dude,
gap. We just filled
Google
up
bounce?
340.
Microsoft getting up there.
Indicator
$100 on this
tells
call.
me where price is going, just trade it properly, right? Get it spot on. Meet the 200 EMA. So I like the Macicator.
1475.
And down. Wow. It's a wild candle.
Basically putting a high above the
Oh really, Cooper? He traded both for 4 different instruments,
Ooh,
trading the competition.
back down.
Right now, we're getting selling pressure right back down.
Just joining us, I've already taken my trade for the day. NQ, I took a short, 15 points. We're open. If I see an opportunity, I take it. An opportunity to take the trade. Said I was kind of bullish this morning. Obviously, gap down. Wouldn't be surprised if we got past 25. Okay, continued up to 25.1, 25.2.
Him's up
But
7%.
I don't know if that's gonna.
Yeah, I saw a huge
speed or if
candle.
it's gonna-
News or what?
I don't know.
Yes.
Yep, and right back down, guys. So I think set up right.
They're about to freaking scream.
So it's trying to push. So, yeah, guys. Long here.
Look at it go. It's going to the 200 EMA.
Target 877.
Going.
It went 200 EMA.
Over 15 points.
For 15 points. Bro, I went long at 695. 708. Jesus. Look at it go. Johansson. Where are you at, bro? I don't.
Short.
What? Because of the London low. Oh, Jesus.
Go, baby.
Let's go, baby. Bro, look at that candle.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, man.
Wild.
If
You
you
got
try
it,
creating
guys.
5 mini,
I think it might be.
below
Ah,
top
cheeks.
account.
Bro.
So what about
Just
what
did.
else about it?
It's above my cheek. Or it's my eyes, because I do have to.
Okay,
Dude, I do
shut
5
your
minis.
face. I don't care. Look at the move. I might have to take this sell off on Microsoft. I'm gonna have to, yeah, take it off because it's gonna pay me more than.
Hey, guys, we rolling. Rolling. Somebody said flag on the play accepts the celebration. Gotta love it.
Jesus.
So that was actually
That was violent.
midnight.
250 points of violence. 9 minutes.
Google. Ow.
Yeah. Oh wow.
So I'm up over
Not wrong there.
$3,400.
Tesla's
guys.
gonna do it too, man.
Supersonic, are you in Apex? Zen? It's okay, Zen. Participate when you feel like you need it.
So yeah, somebody
Go
said
in
we got
gaps
news
above
that
and
yeah.
roll.
So let's break down that trade, chat. Let's do a trade recap. That
Up on
long.
the VWAP now.
Pretty, couldn't call that out. Thinking better, guys. Hit solid, by the way, guys. Hit the like button if you haven't already. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I'm not sure why you're not. Oh, God. Yeah, 2,000 likes. Hit solid, hit the like
Apex?
button. You guys will tune into the show, guys. Almost 5,700 people.
What I would say is that I take one trade a day, and I shoot for $1,500 a day.
Still going, guys.
Because after 8 days, that's
So
you get
what I
yourself
saw,
enough
guys,
buffer.
is obviously I love that free kick spot. So,
Over 900. Holy smokes.
After commissions.
Straight to
So
VWAP.
if it's a 1,500 times 8, you're looking at about $12,000 above the threshold, and it gives you, if you take a payout at
That is
it's
wild.
$3,500.
Literally straight to VWAP.
$3,500.
That's
$5
unreal.
in drawdown.
300 points.
Threshold
Over 50
of
points.
5K. 35
Tell us to the top.
trades. Use
Man.
$1,000
Oh,
stop loss.
I took 10
Yeah,
points,
no,
but if you
yeah.
held it.
At 1,500, 900, good. That's good money to stop at. That's technically you're looking at it kind of individually, which
Yourself going a little bit.
not financial advice, but $2,400 today.
Back to
that's
401.
good money. I mean, live, yeah, it's funded, so $2,400. That's in 2 accounts. That's good. Hey,
I'm curious.
congratulations.
Maybe we got some spot
You
there.
made $2,400 already.
Man, so David Gio's bouncing still.
Really good. Have news in about 17.
40.
Yeah, the flow is important.
gonna chase wins, and then it's wins follow the rules and stay disciplined. It's the great consistency. But hey, I appreciate it. Could be trailing a little bit, nice. Came high, expected, yeah. And top door. Alright, guys. So obviously I'm gonna 44. Nice. Thank you so much. I'm up. Or, sorry, 33 for period.
What a freaking.
You know, Supersonic, don't be shocked that you're a good trader.
Yeah,
Unbelievable.
I wouldn't be shocked.
We got red folder news that kind of.
You're a good trader. I'd certainly say that. Been running with me for a minute.
So like
Question I have is
Well, they're 550
we're going
bucks
to
on
keep
ADT.
going the ES to
Nice.
You know that glitch from yesterday?
Yeah.
trading. I'm agree.
Houston
Got
gave me
lucky. I think I got lucky on that short.
and gave me a full $2,000 drawdown.
Struggle's real.
That's
Regardless
good.
of where you were on your
If you're
drawdown.
pushing up, I want more. Right?
And the drawdown is like 46,000 on a 50K. They were at 48,000, but they gave me a full.
Bullish. Bullish this morning. I said it live and in color. Bullish.
Before I could move to my
Only
cart.
because of it.
But super guys, so I'm trying to trade momentum.
Trying to trade momentum, bro.
To trade similarly, right? You want to trade when prices and momentum, guys. This spot in a
Now
candle,
ES is coming
opening
down.
candle at 9:30. See, make no mistake about it, chat. There's a lot of people down here that probably tried to short this thing, thinking that they're going to get 100%. Basically, that will. I just wanted a retracement. What plays today, chat?
Gonna say
Momentum. If you're looking for basically your job as a trader, not applying to what side is currently winning the battle, right?
bull trap, trapping bulls.
So we were in a range, and I talked about this. We're in a range
Go pushing up.
for market open,
Sit on
right?
your hands. I'm in hand. Your bias is short. Bias was one, but it's short.
Check. EMA, 14 EMA. Right, some of that down. Once we swipe the low,
Day 1 of 8.
we're able to
It's done.
we're able
One
to
of mine.
take price right up, guys, with
Bounce.
momentum. The long way, like look at the
405
size of this
calls.
bottom here, guys. It was over 114 points.
Microsoft. Put a full screen.
So that's scary. Obviously, like I said, if you were short on it, you got stopped out and your account probably wrong. Because you're stuck,
Oh yeah,
right?
for
So,
sure. They got
told me
a
that gold was
405.
nothing in it. We've already had.
Sit on hands, folks.
Basically, line up as many.
$5.
Could be a day where it just pops up and then just consolidates all day in a range.
Back up to 605. Okay.
Green, take it, and again, to God, it takes very solid area. I appreciate it, thank
Hovering around this QF.
you. The page that you're currently on, go to the video section. We have content there. We also have content on the shorts. Make no mistake about it, guys. We'll be having a lot more content, educational content coming. So that's I take pride in that. So we'll definitely.
We really need to break these wicks up. Number one. There we go. Come on. See you later, alligator.
Yeah, stop loss depends on when you're trading off of. So
Alright, if this candle doesn't take it, probably gonna look for the reversal off of or shorts. Let's see if this candle doesn't take it. I'll probably start looking for the shorts.
So once price dipped down from
All right.
it had the pop.
Rejection off of orb.
Clean.
Well,
And probably have to start looking at the short.
expecting here.
Gonna
This
flip
thing
you up.
starts dropping. Okay,
Gonna
drop,
flip it.
Pop, drop. Candle wicks red on SPX. That's entry. That is entry, baby. That is a break. Rejection of orb. All those wicks.
Now a 50 plus
Let's see if
point
this candle
trade.
flips red. That would be entry. Entry time. Entry time. Entry time.
I'm waiting now because we got 10 o'clock noon.
Correct. There is nothing more bearish than a failed bullish move.
There goes Microsoft.
See what happened.
He's a pumping.
It looks really bullish.
No, I'm
look at
still
the bottom.
bullish.
Alright.
Right,
And
so look at the body of the king. Look at the body. See how
We're
large the
feeling
body
orb.
of the king.
we're at this wick point. I mean, it absolutely could be.
What's interesting, guys, notice, like I said earlier, we were in a support area, level, whatever you want, but guys, we're in there. The reaction. Does that always work? No. Because yesterday, pressure stepped into the market.
Go ahead and
Continued
fill
lower,
the.
right. But today,
No, that's
we're
not
in a
right.
reaction
Oh,
level.
there's the break. There's the breakup.
Yep.
There's
Yep.
the breakup. 20, 41, 50.
Upside, right?
I fix these fucking groups. I hate all these groups.
Trading is guaranteed. We're just
Yeah, it hasn't filled it yet either.
Today, the reaction work for a reaction to correction. Yeah, right? So,
About to sell one Microsoft up here.
looking to the left.
I'm watching this.
About to go.
Orby.
The daily chart,
Orby.
this candle,
Detecting orb again. Clear it.
from November 25th, guys, the low of the candle was 24,602. So the low of this current daily candle was
There we go.
1,060. Judging
There
this
we
that way.
go.
So, said, poor guys.
Gotta reassess my analysis right here.
And red.
Pull back.
Got 10 cents away from myself.
I'm not here to say that
Break this,
is
I'm
gonna
happy.
happen.
I'm sure.
But we need to flex that level. We're down.
A 90 on the day. Congrats.
That's just how the market
Hell
works.
yeah.
Well, the other fat boy is not here. He is awaiting the newest member of the MOT family.
So you get very
So,
minimum, I guess.
The newest member of the MOT family is here.
Right, that's what it is. But you gotta be comfortable taking the
No
trade
baby llama.
off of
Maybe
So around VWAP here on
out for the short.
projecting
potential.
VWAP on the gas.
It's bouncing
It's
there,
silver
which is
and gold.
good. But
Actually, it's crude oil.
this breaks that structure. I'm gonna take a short. This is a good max weight trade here. This is 1, 2, 3 lining up. It's a really good max weight trade.
Yep.
Like, push the button a couple times if this breaks. See what happens.
Oh boy.
So we just locked
Let's see what happens if we break into range, please. We're breaking the range, please, and I go shot for you, honey.
Don't let that news stay out.
I'm banged up. I want my voice back. Throat and voice. Is your voice and throat still hurting really bad?
Is anybody trading silver?
Right. So yeah, they finally opening range trade. Hey guys.
All right, push up.
Said that before.
Apex cut it off.
Big old bull flag.
That's a 5-minute ORD guy.
Why would they not? Everybody got cut.
Right.
The cash traders had to like up their margin.
Like say it was right here where my cursor is, guys. And say that was the opening range. But
Raised it to $52,000 for the crack.
because it's want to see how basically candles that.
So back to low day again.
Interesting. Hey, bye-bye.
Very interesting.
It's
When I pressed it,
hover around. Acticator is has been working great lately.
So, it just came out right now and said
Those
delayed,
small
ready to
scalps.
play it, right? But either way, guys, I'm gonna wait. If this candle goes out anyway,
Right. Oh, is the PS gonna fall or just this pivot?
slow down.
Got the babies. They always hover around me.
Right now,
There's the dump off. Back down. I think we're gonna roll back right back down.
struggling a little bit, right? But a lot of times this can be expected going into a candle. Get a reaction. Really. Going into the
Right,
close of
back at the
candle.
200 EMA.
That would be a contrarian, not a momentum trader. A lot of times it goes back the other way,
Bounce
guys.
here and go right back up.
Yeah.
See what happens. Nope. It made me a liar. Goodness.
Going up. Data's
Might
gonna
want to
send
go
it,
back and fill this 15-minute.
send it straight up.
590. Look at the daily. Oh, yeah. You have a gap on the daily at 24.6. 24,614.
Oh god.
We're going to this 200 EMA. What is
These
that?
guys. You get one little little pullback off this pump, but now we're going down 400 points. Come on, people. Come on, Ryan. You know better than that.
Finally. Up and down. Have a gap here. 200 EMA is way down here. Fine. It's 76.
Minutes left on the
76.
current 1 hour.
Gap above,
Yeah.
gap below. The ES. Got the daily on the ES. There's a support at 6,814.
Guys. Guys. This moonshot, guys.
What I see right now is that if you're a bull, definitely don't want the opening range low without preferably don't want this low taken out and on the chart. It's 25,750 for bull. Don't want that low taken. Oh, guys.
This is way too uniform to not find some sort of support somewhere.
Microsoft 400.
Way too uniform.
That's pretty low.
When you open your chart for the day, where do you start with charts?
24,800.
Oh, that
Look at that liquidity count. 24,000. Steady. We have something down right.
So, the daily chart. The 1,014 level maxed out. That's yesterday. Oh, 4,000. It was that thing. So, exactly 14. There it is. Important guy. That there's a lot of pressure. We're able to get a bear DNA from. So, your
1 minute.
and then put out 4 times. And then it was what? Sorry.
Data. Nolts.
Last time we were down here on the daily, looking at like this overall. Let's look at the full screen. Got an inverse head and shoulders building.
That doesn't look good at all. That's the strong projection
Go
off the
flat.
14, okay?
But yeah, we're at the bottom of the range. That's for sure.
Here we go.
So, let's see how. Gotta come.
Man,
So as of right now, we're back inside of the pot.
yeah.
No reaction.
Rated through a pool. So, opening range, card, 4,000. Yeah. ORB.
Virus work.
So, here's where people step in pretty convincingly here, guys.
Took us 3 days to get back down here.
Jody Brewster doesn't work for the police jury either, but she's on the list and said, this is not the school board's list, this is the police jury's list.
1 hour chart.
Responded back.
One.
First
Responder. Okay. Well as the 4 hour guy. So,
He said, oh my goodness.
strong projection.
Talk to him.
Nope.
Oh,
Oh,
Now,
you got a nice
So-
rank. Got 4.
jeez, man.
There's
that's
single
the
guys
first
that
thing. The
close
second
out.
thing
There's a lot of
is my job 1099. Where's my job 1099?
Ultra.
And it's not convincing right now that we're back
How it
inside of
goes.
our
Because I'm about to get
Pop
real.
back up.
I basically need some type of additional training
Apparently,
because
10 a.m. on
I'm
the
getting
Eastern Seaboard.
so many
Clicked
issues
over.
this year.
Microsoft getting smoked.
I got
Damn.
a lot of
Alright.
Oh,
That's a bummer.
I don't know. I don't know the rule. Each one of these cases. You know, it's dependent on what
pivot down here. We'll see exactly where this pivot wants to go.
Okay. Now I'm getting. You gave me money on a settlement.
Oh
Why did
boy.
you send me a non-employee compensation?
These people get so fired up. Double bottom.
But that's not great, right? It came in lower. Hang up. But this is the new cylinder, so I have no interest in trading that.
Bounced off this pivot here on the full screen. We got that up right now.
What we thinking would buy when it's it is
A hard time.
bulls.
That looking for a firm. Apex has no deal right now. A full price or whatever discount you can get. Use Alex TWB. If you are looking for a discount and fill up on prop firm eval.
Is that over with that?
Got Lucid. So buy 5, any 40% off. Hold up.
Without the same price.
Hovering around 24,684.50.
Higher. Well, let's say right now, guys, get back to bro. 15.
Nothing's starting to turn up or down. Long or short? That's what I noticed too. That's why I was like, man, I think we'll trap something. This is definitely a trap. Or they'll
Oh God.
they gotta trap some bears to go higher. In the
Microsoft
meantime,
398. Should have took the money when it popped earlier.
Getting out.
Oh well, we'll just wait.
That's true. Yeah, so I mean, you gotta turn money around, really. To be honest. And that takes even then after that too. It's good. It could come all the way down to 24,598. Bounce. 30 minutes. Yeah, I believe it. That's why Cash is leader right now. QQ. That's why I flip over to the QQQ. Full screen. Got QQ. Get a good feeling for where this market wants to go. Didn't want to fill 605.73 short. Like, 7 points in 15 minutes. Lee, they're making money here. This. They buy to 620. We're not going back there for a while. Could be wrong though. But it's just not. I mean, we can get some liquidation candles to come right back up. Taco could get on the platform and be like, it's time to go long.
Comes a double bottom on that opening wick print. A day on EM and Q. We go.
Alright, turn it around. Let's see if this thing wants to push up back up to the 9 EMA.
Long from 659.
Cooper. Off. Enjoy where you're at. There when you're home. Gone for like 3 weeks. What's your strategy, Cooper? I'll help you out. How many points are you looking
Going.
for? 100? 200? 300 points? Looking for a daily move? Or are you trying to get into options? E. Typing for meme is not going to add to or have any good effect on that. Q pushing lower. And
Over.
day. What do we got tomorrow? What's happening tomorrow? In the economic calendar is consumer sentiment. What's happening?
That is a freaking candle. Jesus.
Event right at 10 a.m.
All right, well, Johansson's going to get his 601. Son of a bitch.
Wait for the bid to come through. Always a buy. Well,
Bitcoin 68,200.
hope you enjoyed.
Amazon down 5%. Oh my God. That's pretty big.
Didn't do much trading. I took a trade.
Wow.
I took a trade. 15 points.
What is happening to Amazon
5
today?
minis.
God.
Do a recap of that real quick. on an Apex PA. Here, if you guys see.
Jesus.
Distance to drawdown. We got. Don't. I'll edit that out. $1,484. Ended up for a recap on it. Rolling downhill. Yeah, bounces. Bull's gotta be in here somewhere. Take him out. Appreciate you all hanging out with me this morning. Thank you so much for joining me. Hit the like button, subscribe button. Appreciate it if you do. Tell the viewers you liked watching. Don's down huge. They have earnings. Their earnings on Amazon. Yeah. Cooper is being that it's negative, does that mean that we're gonna find some bid that's gonna rip this thing to the moon? Is that what you're saying? The negative gamma? Friday tomorrow. I'll be streaming live tomorrow as well. Same time. Same place. D. Cooper, good luck with your laptop trading. It's not easy. I'll have to catch up with you tomorrow and see how that went. Go to trigger and edit something. That's for sure. But I hope you have a great day. Take care. Peace. I'm out.
NSTR 113.
Wow.
Still completely lost you. Look at that reaction. Reaction. What does it sound like?
I'm about to pass this lucid flex.
So keep in mind, it's like that previous game. 650. Yeah, that's still, yeah. So, gotta be good. Yeah, I know. Yep. That gap, I see it. Yeah, I see the gap. So, this is what I say what I say, guys. Right? If this getting back to 554, that handle low down there, then that's great. So just being patient, man. Because if you're there, guys, you don't like the almost 100-point retracement, right? Like, why? Why are we getting a 100-point retracement here? They were bringing us to go all the way back then. There's a lot of blown accounts. So 660 to 702 is 40 points. So that's still a wide stop loss. It's too wide for the. So I'm going to be patient here.
Oh, Microsoft, it's your birthday. All right, I gotta take profit at 24,700, and that will pass the account with one contract. That's the flex.
Look at it, guys. If the Bulls have enough strength to pop this thing right back inside of the opening range, then that is we're either going to be range bound or they bump that daily swipe that I had pointed out, right? Daily low. We're going to get that. So gotta be a little patient here and see how this sets up. Of a top wing. Well, I mean, kind of measure my stop. Right? So from 656, so the problem right here, and I like the exhaustion right here, but see, I like this stop. If I got in on that right at the opening range, guys, 8 points. Like more. Go off of kind of lower my stop. I have a smaller stop loss. There is not. Wait, because said if you're a bear, you don't like this bullish reaction. 7.5 right back up. Hello. Right. So, right? Got 8 seconds left. So it did not take out the previous high. So now, stop. Wanted to get short, guys. Risky trade would be 656. Yeah, funny trigger, guys. 656 would be. So if it pops the trade, sorry, the low. Risky after back. If you would be right, 17 points, right? Opinion that. What you think out, but we'll have to figure it right, because at least I would have a measured stuff. Trade. Real quick, 6 seconds. Points. But want to flex here. You have to. But now you get the reaction, guys. But top is above that candle's high. And this is what I was basically saying, right? It's some turbulence here.
Turbulence.
And quick, right? This is only. All right, let's go back. Let's take that off.
Microsoft curling back over 400. That's good news for me.
Without. From that, it's gonna drop lower. Like without.
That's a pump.
A free trade for 15 points. And it's just because, guys, the white
Microsoft is rolling up. Call's coming back to life. Hmm. Man, that is quite a fucking move. So, I'm on 2 MES on one of my PAs, down 120 bucks. Don't love that. Microsoft is rolling up though, man. I mean, if it starts to get some legs, it could carry some with it. Some tech. NVIDIA. NVIDIA is sitting at 171. Oof. It's ugly.
Thank you. 33 cents in the money, Lauren.
Honestly, I'm down to do a quick five micros.
The only thing green on my screen.
Nice. Look at this pump. Oh, my MES is green.
I just shorted for a quick one. It just blasts off.
Ooh, I thought you were going long.
No, maybe I should have. Yeah. It was like it was getting tight here, so I thought it would be a really quick pullback, but it blew up right as it shorted. That's crazy. Yeah, like I want to be careful longing here. I want to be shorting more than longing, but obviously right there is kind of crazy.
It went green and then red $75.
How many points did you say I need?
Wow.
$30.
That was aggressive.
I only need like 3 points.
Fuck, that was real aggressive.
I'll take 5. I'll take 4. There we go. 47. Oh, I need one more dollar, dude. I literally need one more dollar, bro. $1. Okay, I'll go long.
Microsoft almost 401.
There.
Nice move.
Boom. We're over. We made $5 more. Okay, now.
So, it's not like guys, if you have it already.
And on this blow up, I could have freaked out and just. I would just draw it out.
Wait, yeah, this candle plays out.
I could have gotten chopped out.
Yeah, it's the light,
basically. I locked in.
Low a day on ES. Jesus.
Right. Well, we are here. I am going to. Going to tell myself to. But it's going to be micro. If I go over 1 micro, every single one of out of me. Tell me to get off. 1 sec.
An evaluation of profit trader.
Second.
Yeah.
But I'll pop onto Apex.
That is quite a move down. Jesus.
I just see a good.
Told you, man. Told you.
So
It happened right away.
Air check at 737. Don't want to. But showed real quick.
I'm staying long.
Chart. Saying loved opening squeeze a little bit. Or sorry, 850. And squeeze through, fully reject it off the next level, which is 930 basis.
Look at that bounce.
Now that we're on, our target is basically this box at the very top.
401 breaking on Microsoft. Pumping.
If we get into
Come on, Microsoft. Take us to Valhalla.
I forgot exactly.
Rejected the 21 EMA. God dang it. Microsoft screaming, boy.
We get into a little bit scary.
Crazy, man. 2,500.
Order that.
Alright, here's the time for
We
us
are
to step in,
below
guys.
this super annoying box. Or below this box.
40 seconds left.
Below both of them. And by the way, like level is set like an hour time frame. Hourly. So said target is, but your extra reward here is not just enter short. Because you could get a pack of 100 before it comes down.
Microsoft is
And at this
mooning.
level, like, you're only gonna just be careful. Obviously, if you think it's just gonna sure, you know, but yeah, just be aware of that. That guys.
So this could be forming their lows, guys. Throw back and switch the. What? That's it. That's it.
Great pump.
Points. For a double bottom, yeah. That's what I'm like trying to look for, right? I'm waiting for this candle going on high. Like, it almost looks so far. A W pattern. Yeah, you can. Wait this. Very interesting, guys. We look at this low so far. See how map. So if you're a bull, put down bull. Rush. That's it. Want to start it out. This is there. So call down a 3 trade so far,
Wild.
right? Trade was right at 50 points. A 50 trade and a trade that was a little bit over 10 points. So trades up 30. These wicks are doing some damage. Think about it. Because if you're
AMD 192.
you're not down.
I almost bought some at 200.
Phew-wee.
I didn't, but I almost did.
Hello.
What?
Hello.
You're long.
Yep.
Joining me, huh?
Yep. This time we had the daily fair value.
Hmm.
We good?
not yet convinced that it wants to go up just yet, but we'll see.
They would have put in a high above the spot. Broke the low guy for the previous spot. That there is crazy. So, we're fixing to start that. You want at 3380.
Why not?
Fine.
That's so much of my case.
It was yet to break. Haven't seen any of those for a while.
The only issue is though is that got that box. I want to see by something. Very, very, very. Just hit it. Lower low, guys. Here to the or high. So you found or get a high, or high, or high. Or low and a lower low. So you don't want if you're a bull, if you're a bear right now, you don't want to see. If you form another lower low or high.
Just rejecting the 21 EMA for now. Until we get a crossover some EMAs, we're pretty well screwed. But Microsoft is getting a nice bounce again, so maybe it'll start carrying the weight. Balls are almost green again. Jumped the gun on this MES trade, averaged into it too quick, so that PA is hurting.
Candle guys, we're starting to slow down a little bit. Back.
Microsoft 402. It's a big bounce. Take something with it. Used to grab some friends.
You said you're not trading for.
Candle is there.
DWAP on Microsoft.
You don't want to see the time. Like that six level.
There we go.
For the email, you just make sure you go profit target or
Ugh, and rejected.
and then niche. Join in the Trade Titans. Heck yeah. There we go. Welcome, brother. If you're already on the Discord. I'm past the nice. Joker started watching you.
What are EMA is at?
You're glad about that?
Oh baby.
Can I explain the consistency rule? One on TPT. Basically, here's the rule. I'll just give example, this account, see on the top right, I made a profit target. My profit target was 9K, okay. What does that mean? So, before I say what that means, big profit trader, you're required to have 5 trading days. Pass any. Have to can't pass in one. Requires 5 trading, which means you have to do one out of the 5 days.
What a
Be
bounce.
but days need traded.
Green on the PA. Oh, baby.
Anyone.
Oh, baby.
So my problem.
Oh, baby. Past elusive flex. Oh, baby.
You don't want to go. Mine is
Alright, I'm just going to hold one MES now on that PA. That's basically my big even there.
But it's not going to fail you if you go over.
Not giving up, guys.
And go over. It's just not ideal. Because what happens if you go over? And I'll give you an example that I had live on stream. I went over the profit on this account by like $5. So instead of 4,500, I had like 523 my biggest day. So because of that,
A bit on my portfolio balance.
having a 9K profit target, I now have a 9,000.
Didn't want to refresh the one, but I had to.
Double my biggest day. So instead of having a 9K profit target, my profit target becomes $9,006. 9046. That's just what. That's all the rule is for trader. To have your profit target, and like try to stay away from 50% of it.
Good morning.
If you do, it just
Oh, thank you.
for you. You end up having like a 10K profit day, and
Right.
your profit target's only 3.
I can do that.
You might as well. I don't know. Might as well get rid of that account. Not really. Like if you make it 10K, just made your profit target from. That's about it.
Just have to wait a few more days and your average goes down. I don't know if people don't get the math.
They don't. The problem is that not only do they not get the math, but they do not believe that they can actually continue trading it for a few more days. They're so scared.
Just get $100 for a few days and it brings the average way down.
Says the guy who passed an account and blew at the same time.
I said that. I never said I've got too much money for consistency, so makes any sense to me.
I am going to.
I'm sure people are supposed to be like experts, quote unquote experts, that have a YouTube channel saying that. B-Money said kind of the same thing. Really?
Like I said, restricted micro.
Let's fucking get it, baby. Look at that. Almost a qualified day on this PA. Almost.
Almost.
So
We're at 45 bucks, so close.
Wait, guys.
I'm not going. Stick it. Micro.
So you got a nice bottom wick there, formed by the bottom here. Unfortunately, and then spot. Alright, there.
It always comes in here. It's on my hands in it.
Bottom's in.
Bottom's in, baby.
Bye, 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 bye.
Yeah. And so I'm saying, guys, like this to me right now, like this previous time, I mean that full or not, but that's giving up. Hey, set up. Very intense. Let's point. So for me, they said for this more guy. About that. He is low. 500 point sell off.
But you are short the money. You're only 5/8.
Right. All right. Well, we have 3 funded accounts with Lucid. Not great.
Nice. I have 4. I'm working on 5 at the moment.
That is freaking great.
The open ring. We're right. And maybe yeah.
There's nothing. Honestly.
Now, the other thing is
Probably get a little bit of
And Bitcoin crossed 66. A 50% retracement basically from the top.
Oh, it's Thursday. Hold on. Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Are you going to be home?
Yep.
Okay, we're going to come early, so because Eric goes to bed at 1.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Then we'll see you in a little bit. I
Yeah.
wanted to remind you, please do not tease him about his back.
Oh,
He is
God.
very offended. Yes, he is very offended. So
Did he get his
Okay.
back strap in to straighten it up?
no, we didn't order that yet, but
All right.
me too. We just went to the eye doctor, and both of us got glasses and exams, and he has to see a retina specialist because he's got a big dark spot close to his retina. So
Crazy.
we have to have that checked out.
Oh, I forgot to
Okay.
go through the
Make sure it's not cancer.
stats
So
list.
Okay.
we'll see you in a bit.
Bye.
thank you, guys. Ready.
Wow. That's something. Damn it, Microsoft.
I had a couple guys that closed above the 14 and 8. 50 to for that.
Ounce, bro. That's the PM. I am at max loss
Hey,
limit
for 30
for my
seconds,
eight
that's
head. 1 micro each.
Go to 500. Yeah, good. Never gonna say it can't do anything, guys, right? Because anything in a month. Right now, we're kind of building.
Look at the
Stats. I mean, you can't deny the sell-off that we've had.
ES about to break low a day.
so
Son of a
stats
bitch.
wise, impressive. 56
Just kidding.
on the G.
What up? Just kidding.
So nice, but said nothing too impressive. Average winning trade, 3 good 7. Average losing, 5. So like literally the stats are not impressive at all. Just like
For
risk
the
management,
overall play, right?
largest winning trade. This is not impressive. This is pretty bad risk. This largest losing trade.
We'll go with pretty good play.
Just like goes. Never mind. First trading day. So they end with that. Okay.
So keep it. Guys,
56% win rating. We were able to pass in 5 days.
next
Take
week,
profit.
flexible.
The standard deviation for the winning trade is it's like a little bit of risk, but it's
11 consecutive games.
but we were able to pass in 5 days.
If this thing rocket ships
Yeah, I
back
gotta
to
get this
opposite
buddy
directions,
out of here. Positive.
situation. Right, yeah. We're kind of putting it out. Back to three.
Look at that. Set it. Set it in the chat. 2 weeks, 23,900. Ain't that a bitch?
Back up now. And it's so for Bears, right?
Ibrakara. I'm gonna buy a 50 TP. There's 100 or 150 better. It all depends on how you plan to trade.
The way back up.
All the way back up, guys.
I like going bigger, going. That's just me. Oh, like I try to get max. I'm currently working on max. X.
Silver down 15.6%. Jesus.
Is you have to do
Yeah.
a lot of
Oh.
Yeah.
payouts.
Oh.
Go with the 50K. It's a lot easier. Profit target's a lot. Your drawdown relative target is
But you
pretty
had
good.
a lot of selling pressure on
If you
the
compare that to like, hey, you got
people both direct.
9K profit target for 500. Top lot. Drawdown.
I wanted to
For the 50K, it's $15 profit target. I know, I think it's like what? Target. Drawdown. Basically, it's better than like 50.
So
it's like just trying to do is trying to trade it and pass it as possible, and then you know just slowly. Like a lot of people like the 50. Or, I don't know why. Like I just like bigger and maxing out, but in like the small amount size, I go with the size, pass it, and then you build up on your. You can make it pretty much no. Yeah, you could actually make build like a 5K buffer and all the profit you make up on 5K, just cash out for yourself. There's a lot of people that actually trade it like that.
But yeah, this candle closes,
I'm
guys.
just trying to go with the, because like, I'm really trying to trade in a way where I'm trying to be consistent, like practice. That's why I'm going bigger, like maxing out and buys all that. Biggest reason because I want to practice and be consistent. If I can practice and be consistent, then outside, it's all about like which account can you pass the buffer on the front. They're faster, and
Free.
probably better if you're
Right under the tunnel on Daddy. Eric,
Got it. You got high low that was confirmed.
but
You're okay with this.
just be aware if you like. It's like honestly way. If you did
O'Brien, it's one of those things where
size of
only got targeted on
450K you know you have popular variable. Like if you go from a big technologically to
but I think
base,
the bull
way easier to pass way faster, but I want
still they do. Oh, it's gonna be a
tool. First like this spins off of ICP theory. I have no idea about that. All I'm doing is I have like a mix of different stuff, which by the way,
still fine. Our 40 foot to the upside guy. But
technically more peasant now.
put him on the chart. You got a double bottom formation, you're clear as day. Got another high post. That was put in.
Waiting.
That was it. We're either gonna flush really hard here to that 550 level
These
guy.
are usually better price and value, especially that you have 1 to 2 down to lower down. Yeah,
So, the range of the currency is the high tier. Set the buffer.
Masha, I'm going to have my first 50K fund. What moderate strategy? Trade it. I've been trading Apex since over. So new to the game, but
But as you guys,
like moderate.
but
You
the
say
mix
moderate.
trader,
talk about-
you're gonna have to go price accurate. Because they're gonna get chopped.
okay. I would say moderate risk. 10.
Another low on MES. Trying to hold. You still long, Johansson?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Not in a trade, guys. We're ranging. We're ranging. Now we're moving sideways. Sideways action.
I think the moderate strategy would be
Now,
5
I'll be honest,
micros.
right now, what hey, right now,
5 micro.
there's the bottom of the range.
I think that would be think like 20 stops, maybe. Especially with the what up. Yeah, that'd be perfect. Yeah, it's either you would pass the count with 10 wins in a row, and winning count, and 10 trades in a row. Moderate. Last lane, will be developed, I'm sure of. Alright, brother.
Call it bear.
Up we go.
You can't do that.
Like it's kind of
I'm reading this chat in the Book Maps channel, and these guys are doing the same thing as yesterday. I want 470, 480. I want 350. I'm like, bro, you guys are fucking mad. Same as yesterday. They're gonna get fucking face ripped. Gonna squeeze the shit out of these people. 100%.
You trade the range.
How do you? Is that what he said? How do you trade the range?
Range probably shouldn't be traded.
Obviously, you buy the bottom, sell the top. Obviously. What is the bottom? No idea. Where's the top? Also no idea. That is the whole point. The problem is that you don't know if that's the bottom. You just think for now it's the bottom.
But he said if you're trading the range, that's the question. If I'm going to trade the range, how do I do that?
Right.
Well, straightforward. I'm going to trade the range. And yes, you're absolutely right. The range could absolutely change.
Oh, what should I do? Should I just stay long, or should I just say I'll be green a little bit and wait this out? I don't think it gets up there. All right. I mean, I've seen pretty much almost the worst. The worst that could happen is I lose $200. That's the worst. From where I'm at on MES. This is basically my break even here at 68.20.
about 17.
Account. Yeah, a lot of people. I didn't understand it at first.
When the Muppets yeah, so you
I like it.
so reset that account.
Actually, I was right. I mean, we had like a little bit of a squeak. Fake out. Taking like 100 points or whatever I had. Anything.
That is where the biggest squeeze will happen. They will be looking for this down here, but like we talked about, positionally, alright, when we talk about location and momentum, where are we right now? Are we in good location to be short? Right? A good location. A good location to be short. Down here, they're awful. Where were the good locations? Take out this location. This rejection of here yesterday. This drive up this morning was a bad location, wasn't prime. Prime was up. This location down here, it is terrible. That is a terrible location. You'll risk this up. So you don't want to be. That's it. I don't want to be down now. Where we got short. A good location. Why? About trap one. Why did we get this one? About this spot. Same.
all the volume. They get stopped out. What? Sellers. Boom. Then sellers try to sell the low. Idiots. We buy that back to where the trap buys are.
Yeah.
What happens? No, it's off the back end. What happens? All these trap buys. They start selling break even. Boom. Back down. Do we want to sell this low? No. Don't. Do that. We're probably this something. Then maybe. Okay, right. Just structure, guys. It's just structure.
A one-on-one on them right now. Because next we're gonna pick the range.
And how do we trade the range?
Do I use fibs? Yeah, I do. I use return back inside for fibs, for golden pockets. I use it. Random question, but have you ever been to? Oh, I'm an Arsenal. The only game I've been to, Man United. Is United. Actually, the last game I went to United Arsenal was the SoFi last year. Do flow zones only work on base candlesticks? No, they will work on. Have I noticed value areas differ differently?
All you can do, guys.
The lower time frame that lower value area on.
Respect it, bro. You're sorting every time.
Now trading view processes. Still waiting for this out, guys. I want to know like less and less about trading. Waiting for this.
Yeah, good guys. No, I know it's frustrating, but I mean, the 30-minute camp, sorry, 50-minute camp does, right? It looks right. Not looking.
Why would you not short sellers not get their stop loss already? Hold. Like, why would the short sellers not stop loss? In this move up here, they might well have done above this. Sure. And then if those sellers became buyers, then it let the market makers sell back into. Sure, like that's what happened up there. I would not guarantee they will. How long? I get what you're very simple. While on the right on the so this is pivoted off the all. This is off the all-time high, so it's showing all the volume created from this and this one the last 12 months. Right, so I know that this level here is a big node. Right, we might travel back, get really lucky down. But it's very possible we're going to need some form of A or week. Test this and resell that. This node here or this node here. Alex is probably going to be thinking about somewhere down here.
We're able to submit
Unless we're going to get very heavy and let everything go. Might start getting speculative.
Maybe there's a
That would
similarity.
be
You're
then
able to submit your alert
10%.
to authority.
Announce this pivot. 12% back, which would still be helpful. Somewhere in here.
Bitcoin 67,000. MicroStrategy 112. Bro. Bro, 50% pullback.
Alex Austin traffic
Coming in hot.
LA, wave,
Half of Bitcoin gone.
Yeah, I know, man.
Wow.
Taxes are better.
It was 66.
The taxes are better, and I might fancy change. I'll see.
Just wow.
Quite the low.
63 or 65?
Just wow.
Yes, yeah, you're about to close now. We are about to fix it. Like I said, I think I'd be watching 75s on. Still got another dollar.
Comes a double bottom low a day tap on the NQ. Yes,
And
double
recover.
bottom.
Cover.
Good at the moment. Go the next. Going to the World Cup, yeah, okay. I applied for lots. Did not get any, but I applied, so I'll probably just have to apply. Still holding that here at divergence. These sellers are still stuck right now under here. Have divergence. At the low, executed. You had it, like I said, I will not fishing down here.
Fishing. PW is fishing.
EW is fishing.
When was this? One. Purple cloud, ozone, EMA.
So
Do I think we chop around for the rest of the day? Yeah, I do. It's, the only thing, right, is if they are adamant on selling, then they can use volume to go lower, but I think just because of where we are on the day, I think it's going to struggle. I'll give you a readout on the Mac.
look at the
Tesla
bounce.
3.60% down, Nvidia 1% down, Microsoft 3.7% down, Meta pretty much flat, Google 3.80% down, Amazon 9% down, Apple 1% down. Overall, we're 1.61% down. If we look at the day, we think about the size of the move. Go from the high of this week.
Look at the rejection.
A little bit before 7, guys. Overnight, right? Overnight, over 5 points.
Today, so we go from the high of this week. So,
Short.
we are almost 1,500 down on the wheel. If we measure out a Sigma, like Bollinger, to a third standard deviation of the Bollinger right now. It actually takes us to the so we're at about 2.5 standard deviation. The 20-day, they'll mean like Bollingers are 2 standard deviation. We're about a 2.5. We're at the midpoint of this. A 3 standard deviation would right down into. It's very, 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 very unlikely. It's possible, but it's very unusual that we do standard deviation outside of 2. We're at 2.5. To get to 3 is asking a lot. You are going to need mass panic.
That's what I'm talking about.
It won't happen, but it's unlikely. Even if you just want to like look at the pivot on like NQ1, like we are trading right into the August high. So
we're talking.
put you on.
Look at this one, guys. This one is down.
We're coming right
$6,000 down.
We're right in.
We're getting liquidated.
We're asking a lot
Yes, they are.
for it to just this. Like, what's more reasonable? Like a back test. This.
Get a daily candle or Bitcoin.
That side. Broke out from. Broke out. Retested. Held. Broke out. Back down.
Gotta love it.
Right, so they're asking a lot to keep climbing lower and lower and lower and lower. Out and back.
W's in attack.
Manage your expectations. That's why wouldn't you shoot down?
You want to know what's happening, guys? I just gotta do it out there now. Oh, we're stalling out here. A lot of W's, guys.
We left Cali for Oklahoma a few go. Love it out here. Every gas is 188 a gallon. Well, there you go, Jason. Exactly, yeah. There is a negative to use book maps on. Never used it on Think Was
Oh boy.
Property tax there sucks. Yeah, it does, but it was less than.
W think this is the part, guys.
But yeah, I mean, I'll consider any. Considering Miami as well. I will consider anyway.
So,
Alex, the order flow course version, It's for everything. It's for everything. Yeah, a lot of people use automated. It can lure you into it. I've seen game moving average.
15-minute card.
20 day with no sanity.
Money going on vacation at work. What
Rick. LA to Dallas. Yeah, that's the one thing. It's the ocean. That's
never know, Peter. It's always
sides of there in 5 minutes.
on your toes.
There it goes. There's the wick.
Go down for this.
Is that gonna be enough?
Remember, keep getting stuck down in here. That's why it's going to return back to something. Sellers just got pulled out. Again, folks. Sellers just pulled out.
That may have been it. Right there.
Right. Control. I will watch this. Guess what? Watching this long now. Said I wouldn't do it, but this balance long to get squeeze. This is long. Add into this. Oh, so those tellers at the third day. Pulleys. Here we go, folks. Alright, next balance will take us all the way up to 650. Freeze.
Alright, well, there's my qualified day on my other PA. Oh, get up there, you. Was there. It'll get there eventually.
Selling some. Again. Look at the delta, low day, delta, low day. You silly people keep trying to sell the lows. That's who we're going to use. They're paying. Silly people. Lovely. Just holding a little piece. But if the pullback holds 600, I'll sit in there. Back and hold.
So shout out to W guys. I saw the post on his
Get over there.
account.
Oh, baby.
Here, right now. 50.
Right there, already
Here we go.
tagging some of
Threes
our
up
guys.
to 62. Doing the first 50 threes. Here we go, folks. Here we go. Let's see if we can get up to 93s. If we get through 93s, the squeeze is on. Silly people
Alright,
at the low
PA
days, they
up.
just don't learn, do they?
Lucid Flex is sitting at $60 to the upside. I need 100 for a qualified day. You believe, so I'm just gonna put a stop in that.
Bit left. Bit left.
So yeah, this thing, what I'll say is that like bulls are stepping in as
Base.
That's a big
Base.
mistake.
Up.
Hey,
Like,
come
go
on,
on,
stop.
Yeah.
Police. Oh,
All because they don't see.
look at the 30-minute candle, guys. You got
Yeah,
they push there. You think like this, you put it in the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
What did I say?
It's kind
Don't
of
short the low days. Later. 110 points later.
The already had downside. Free market. Every to the downside attempt to flush below 24,500.
This here, 92s. Well, 707. Really, I'd love to get 800. Folks.
W informing, yeah. So that's what I was saying, guys. You got like a double pattern here. So you got
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's do it.
Selling pressure.
I want this to hold now, 57. They can afford it to 36.
Look at it go, man.
Here we go. Don't fuck me.
I almost made the mistake of not clicking the exit all and close again. Gonna get a nice mystery fill up in the up off of this pump.
Alright, lots of you in this with me. Nice. One of you up 4K today. Love to see it. Alex, 21 course. Is it on demand or like this? On demand.
Look at it go. Johansson is printing the money.
I gotten stopped by that wick, man.
Really?
Yeah, so I was like, man, trying to recover from it actually.
When will you ever learn you cannot have stop losses in the red?
I didn't think it was gonna break the bottom.
Why not?
Yeah, it was holding it for such a long period of time.
Every one of these moves like this comes off of a wick, though. Like every single one of them. And if we don't have that wick, we don't get this move.
They're really gonna. They get this back inside the range. That is very range, right? Guys. Got no bottom wick on the current 5 minute control.
The tools are good, man.
Microsoft calls about to be green. Again.
Broke out above the opening range. Edit. All right. So they really get this going. 760 plays to the. Bull took it. This spring here. Wow. Every possible bump that's happened. Hold right back down. So about looking at got a lot of time. So you want to see the 14 EMA hold. Full guy.
Look at it go. Oh my god.
Oh, folks.
End of another.
They got this quick up. Couldn't even switch over to then for long.
10 points. I already took it up.
Okay. Target.
What'd I tell you, baby? Guys!
Guys.
Guys! What do we do with this, guys?
Great, guys. Let's go.
You got in when I got in, but I didn't tell you I got in.
Guys. Ripped faces clean off.
It switched over to show you the trade and show you that I was in it and where the entry was. It popped to the upside, guys.
Microsoft all the way up to 404 and then back down.
Every trade's not going to be. That's how it is sometimes, guys.
How it is sometimes, guys.
So I see a lot of W's in the chat. So how much money are you up? How many points did you grab on that long, guys? How many points did you grab on that?
Well, I got a 2 Microsoft calls green. I got 1 left.
So sometimes, guys, some of these trades, like if it moves really quick, it's hard because really that hot heavy. They just basically took off with that. It's like rocket fuel or the
Yeah.
spot start.
Pretty much.
Signal service. Kind of signal service, sir.
Look at it go straight to VWAP.
Now, 4 trades, guys.
Wow.
This thing is still going high. So, but this is not a signal service, guys. So if that trade,
What does that even mean? We're not financial advisors. I'm just telling you to go long, get 10 points.
that point good. The job of putting out what I'm looking for because I even said that it's not targeting the 50 EMA on the 5-minute chart. There's a lot of W's in a chat. So that tells me that there's people out there, guys, that trying to apply themselves to learn how to trade by trade.
But it's still signal service.
That is where
Whatever that means.
we're trying to add value to the space. But some of these trades are gonna run, guys. And so my goal is for you to act for these things that happen, not just
200 is gonna reject.
every two.
Gonna reject first, and then it'll go up to like 820. I can't believe you got stopped out. My God. It happens to you all the fucking time. And you just keep trading like that. It's wild. So crazy, man.
I'll protect his interest.
But it's not protecting you.
Oh, it does.
It does not.
It does if you don't get the trade right away.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's not protecting you. It's giving you a worse fill.
Unless it's going in the right direction, then you don't trust it.
The only time I use a stop is in profit. That is it. There is no way I'm taking a freaking stop loss that's not in profit.
Candle guy. Took out 1, 2, 3. There's candles.
I would never hold the drawdown.
Yes, you do. You do it all the time. All the time. You hold drawdown far worse than me. The difference is that your drawdown is magnified by your position size. Mine, I only take a trade that I can hold that drawdown. 100 points, that's nothing. The range here has been 600 points. 600 point range. You got to be able to take a 100 point hit.
Listening, paying attention, and not looking for every single trade. Want a silver ladder guy who only money.
Look at Microsoft go. Straight in the money. Unreal. I might take my $50 off of this trade today and just sit the rest of it out.
Over 1,200 by 11 o'clock.
Look at everything.
Got it, yeah.
It's pretty unbelievable. Actually, it's completely believable.
You guys, you're still making money. So, it would be hard for me to know. Or you to wait for clear indication.
All right, got my FFF thing. All right.
What do you need to make on FFF? Like 150?
No, it's just a matter of there has verification of that. To be realistic, some of these trades are gonna run, guys. They're gonna run quick. So if you're that's trading one-on-one. You wait for the next setup. And right, I've already caught. That was a 40 trade that I caught. That I took that. So. About 45. $10,000 in a day night.
Why, man? That's $10,000 you can get back.
The part of the BBH guys that's already an established want to meet done. We have the largest live for futures market daily basis. You're part of it. So and yeah, I don't do one-on-ones, guys. I don't opt for that. I don't have time. I got $12. So
That mess.
Big will sound like that's not what it's saying. Really can't. Every day in and day out for money. I take pride in you can look at little things that I'm looking at, guys. Maybe you don't have to get anything to start. So whatever it is. But would advise you to basic that makes sense to everybody that you're watching. Streamers. Hopefully you're only watching us here at the BH because we're calling out trade weeks and price action a lot of times before it happens, guys.
There's no signal service, make sure you know that. Call them out.
Something right because you were angry. And then once you had a pretty convincing bullish engulfing candle that closed above the 14, you broke out upside. It's not. I would not. If we're not above 20. Still running. Buddy, did you get in before that candle closed at the 14? Get in. Yeah, so when I saw the candle close, guys, and I saw breaking to the downside, it just popped. So, and this is why I want people to listen to what I'm saying. Look at the bottom wick, guys. Look, that's put on, right? Look, there's no bottom wick, guys, so that's telling me that there's a lot of line pressure to the upside, right? The wick on that handle is barely got a 3-point wick, guys. Bottom wick, right? So that's telling you that there was literally a bullish reaction to the upside. And it's
Everybody got stuck on like anybody in here.
and maybe somebody out there held that trade. If you held that trade, guys, that's but that was a 50-point right after that.
Okay.
it looks like a W pattern for me, right? Because you had a sell off downside. We're already down at over 500. Keep that in mind. I talked about that multiple times. Waiting for to reside, right? Yeah, it's all about
How much you?
and I'm really a fan. Like, let's see bottom. It's a wild guy.
Oh, my mom's here. I'll be back.